In a 12th century Old Norse manuscript called the Book of Icelanders, there's a very peculiar statement about the length of a year. It says, and this is my very best Viking voice, Fimdagar ins fjorða hundraðs. Translated, that means each year has 5 days of the fourth hundred. Let's break that down. 5 days of the fourth hundred means you've already got 300s, and now you're counting 5 days into the next one. So that's 305 days. But hold on, that's a whole 60 days short of a year, right? Well, here's what you need to know. When the Vikings talked about hundreds, they most often meant long hundreds. A long hundred was equal to what we call 120. So that's 3 times 120 plus another 5, which comes to 365. But why would they do it that way? Well, first, Northern Europeans loved using dozens for counting goods and other things, most likely because 12 is conveniently divisible by 3 and 4. But the long hundred went further, leveraging the advantages of both 10 and 12. Counting upward, it was seen as 10 groups of 12. Counting downward, they chopped it up differently into 12 groups of 10, making it easy to split into thirds, quarters, and sixths. For example, a third of a long hundred was 40 or 4 tens. No 33.33 repeating nonsense here. In fact, the long hundred is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 40, and 60. And when you think about it that way, the boring short hundred just doesn't cut it.